a few of the things that we are going to do. This you will like: a massive tax cut for working Americans and a 15% tax rate for small businesses. We will unleash an energy revolution, the likes of which we have never seen before. According to the Institute for Energy Research, lifting the restrictions on all sources of American energy will do a lot of things. Number one, increase GDP by more than $100 billion annually, money we desperately need. Add over 500,000 new and high-paying jobs annually. Increase annual wages by more than $30 billion over the next 7 years. Think of that.